Hi friends, I think you'll agree with me when I say that nothing beats biting into some soft, juicy homemade meatballs. Today we are going to be making Italian style meatballs, and we are going to be making them using our air fryer. As always, I'm going to be using my Ninja Foodi air fryer, but this recipe can also be used with other air fryers. So for this recipe, we're going to need 1/4 of a small onion, you want to finely mince your onion and garlic. So first you just want to let the breadcrumbs soak in milk. This is 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs act as a binding agent. They absorb moisture from the milk, eggs, and meat and just help the meatballs to maintain the structure and stay soft. Additionally, they also help with texture and flavor. And you can make homemade meatballs without breadcrumbs by using items such as rolled oats, crushed crackers, Parmesan cheese, or a combination of Parmesan cheese and almond flour. Preheat the air fryer as the breadcrumbs are soaking. So first in goes the meat, the minced meat, 1/2 kilo. Next goes in the minced onion and garlic, followed by Italian seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons, chopped parsley, about a tablespoon or 2. Next goes in some dried basil, 1 to 2 tablespoons, red chili flakes, a teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper to taste. And then we're just going to add the soaked breadcrumbs. As a tip, you want to oil your hands to help with shaping the meatballs. Repeat the process until all the meatballs have been shaped. And then you just want to place the meatballs inside your air fryer basket without overcrowding. Regarding air fryer meatballs cooking time, the time you require will depend on the size and thickness of the meatballs. As a general guideline, using a cooking temperature of 374 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, small to medium-sized meatballs will require approximately 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Larger meatballs will require 12 to 15 minutes or even more depending on the size. Most importantly, you want to use an internal read thermometer to check whether the meatballs are cooked through. And then you just want to flip the meatballs carefully halfway through cooking. And these are done, so I'm just going to get them out of the air fryer. Cooked meatballs should have an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit or approximately 71.1 degrees Celsius. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or simply follow along so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.